from branya dwuma no betimi aboa na post fo dwuma dia omudie bibia etime kama no so good news okay ya nana do ba ye helicopters wa krabi ma asrafo asodefo no wodi ka krabi dada e de ama miensa entidia ba November no de eko e de ama post fo na omudwumadie no etumi ay kama. That's the good news e ba nwumrei ye ka bi e de a kire Ghana fo eno se asem de pa na munim owura bi a ye fa no Solomon Nkansah, former communication director for the National Democratic Congress NDC. Solomon Nkansah was say abrante no a ye fra no Kelvin what ya breti memu was what here odi amanfo atem okrom ha Kelvin edi amanfo atem wonu nko ni nyansafo mo ba se amanfo okrom ha no a odi aba we atem a eye NDC fo bi de no. Solomon Nkansah say NDC, you should be very careful because abrante nsem keka ene ne ya o ya odi gumpenfo fi di president atem di penfo titre okrom atem twaba amanfo no. NDC, you should be very careful. Na asantifo wakase bi se okona aburo bi si unua so a kacha ne se sore yeso enkasa sore ne so sanse penesi ofiri no so a wode beba so na akona sa odwonko abado se ahye a o cha den ko sansuo si udie ho na bibia betimasi abrantie yi Kelvin wone Chini Jonas yafa Captain Smart nka ho a mudu om si omumu ni pa bibre bia okroma atem didie empoatwa ene no kura asem omo ka no kura bi anim ana omo di gu amanfo so no de se omu twabo MPP aban odi MPP atam na mo keka nsam de but heni yesa de odi ye MPP for no ebedu mebi no what is abedi NDC for ensem a former National Communication Director for the NDC odemnyam for Solomon Nkansah and so ade atudwa nwumre ye ka bi ade acham no na ase ade nkatia wo ha bi de nisia ebisafo mente but the atiane say meka na ma wonu se de yesitie the atiane say owura no a ye fa no na nampadu wa dwumtuni kase okrom ha se nyankopɔ twedi ampo se ode ne kra besie yi wensu binim se obi a wawuo so ade ne politics General Secretary for NDC ase rin katia se na nampadu first no when you di ka aya nyom de man NDC for ansa no hwehye de akome we ne sai ase rin katia wensu ne sai se na nampadu bo nyom NDC anu ansa no bo man PP no na he dey bibia mo de politics okroma bibia mo de politics okroma a very serious issue manfo condemn nsem a wode atudwa nwumrei yanso ye ka bi ade achemo na message on Facebook afi the video na ready be sisi a video wa trending e social media amanfo di nkomon say na yenya hu bi da until say former president Mahama akoka no wo aya tatiman radio station bi say 2024 elections no ebe do or die and ya ka say ayatem die pani nkasa sa na sam na wo kan no ebe timi de owe na aba wa say a dramatic expression and I know express na brofo no Ghana for antiase enti 2024 elections be do or die and ye na man ye ko hu say former president Mahama wanwa nkasa ne ba edia yenim se fa ne Farouk womu awa gym chese womu ya rehearsals former president Mahama ekura na de wo press up wo pese onya muscles na yenkɔ ne hwɛ video nimra video no former president Mahama ya amanfo se 2024 ho rehearsals and wo pese wo ya do or die no wone ne ba Farouk ya hwemra but I already mo fa video no tumye ha sa video no na ya
sa NDC youth now me catch mo say me to no me to bada I don't belong to any political party ntimunya sa chimisim na bi mu ye no we video and then they think say you are trying to speak against fix the country or you are trying to speak against Chini Jonas or those guys, you know. They just come and pay me writing nonsense. Akufo-Addo na idea about Akufo-Addo you guys were insulting Mahama is better than Akufo-Addo. We even regret. why should you even tell me that, bro? Why should you even come on one page to tell me that nonsense? Do I care about that? Why should you even come on one page and come and tell me, say, Mahama is better than Akufo-Addo? Don't come and tell me that nonsense. I'm not into any, I'm not part of your political useless agendas. Never come on one page to come and write those nonsense for me. So what I say? More because MPP were power, you know. So fix the country the more air possible because MPP were power, you know. And this is for you. They must story now. And nobody can tell me something make me boy. NDC youth. I know say a lot of people who are also a part of MPP. Everybody want the country to go war. Nobody will tell you say Ghana no. Obi and Pegana ye. Obi and Pegana ye. But be now more than mobile. Mudi atamo no can kosa munyana no. NDC youth because my messages are. I know the reason I'm saying this, and nobody will come and tell me say me boy. Then hamo. Mo then hamo. Ghana be here. Sabi. Mama mesa so na. NDC di how many years? I'll be how many years? Okuyana so. Mon kan chame. Nsanya MPP buy now for there will be can be a mobile down can mobile can say when he actually pa. And when I was talking, did I speak in favor of any political party? When I was making my videos, did I speak in favor of any political party? You guys should stop that joke. And let me tell you, you said more, but some of us we are well cultured. We have ethics. We have courtesy. So we never come on a page just to place any insult on anybody. But so balance over Yemia, that I will respond to you accordingly. You understand me? I will respond to you accordingly. Who Abraham Ben will say, Baomia Pakasa said he knows what he's saying. He only understands what he heard or what he saw. And Manaka said, and Akonyana Batsaswa, principalities and demons now operating as a hammer, a Akonyana. A farm by are you where about me? But then I was on that you like the same dreams now or here and no Sunyana. Everybody and Obia in the spirit that anymore. So about me, I said, I don't know, I'm Akonyana just know. He has seen it, whether it be in the physical or spiritual view. Say Akonyana, demons and spirit as principalities, and it is what I say be a hammer. How dare you come out and insult the man like that? And I'm crying, then I'm crying, Ghana, or you, then I'm then Jimmy Sam crying. No, ah, who Abraham must say, who Abraham must say, when you see yourself when you're much Jimmy Crossing will be so see yourself in our family now. You have people who are we have so-called celebrities be on what actually sponsoring, you know, what Jimmy person who Abraham no. Now what's one chance about me? I must me man who so circumstances now will be you know, wake up in the morning and send money to this guy, Abraham Ben Moshe. You know, wake up in the morning and send and remit money from here in America to this guy. So who share the deals for CSF? And I said, they told them CSF what T-shirt and I CSF what kept. And how their contribution towards what CSF? Okay, common sense family. Tell me your agenda. Hey, you guys are so aimless that means just simple sir. Obia be institutional. Whoever that opens any institution, for instance, Obi school. That's what training people in that institution. They have a very what? They have an objective. For instance, maybe a school you know, a man can fly that question be say, I be born in Ghana. What I say, and I say be Obia sorry, they have an aim, they have objectives. Okay, Obia forming NGO they have objectives. NGO crampo no omo nim just say omo nyasa be say ye ti NGO we abua maybe omo to take rural areas what I say